Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College Nagercoil. News for the month of June 2024. The 5th of June 2024. Tree Planting Drive. A special tree planting drive commemorating the World Environment Day celebrations was organized by the NSS unit of the college at the Thollavalai village of Kanyakumari district. Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi, the principal of the college, and Mr. Satish, the president of the Thollavalai village Panchayat, presided over the tree planting drive of the NSS volunteers. The 17th and 18th of June 2024, Retreat and Orientation Program. On the 17th and 18th of June 2024, the campus animation team organized a 2-day retreat and orientation program for the teaching and non-teaching staff of the college. The resource persons, Reverend Father Arul Edward Joseph, the director of Anukriga Institute of Counseling, Psychotherapy and Research, Dindigul, and Reverend Father S. Arul, Province Procurator, Mary Queen of Peace, Capuchin Province, Madurai, enlightened the participants on the ways of nurturing mental health in workspaces, diffusing negative emotions, teacher accessibility, availability, creativity, and mindfulness for life and work. The 26th of June 2024, Freshers' Day. In a Freshers' Day celebration jointly organized by the Parent Teachers Association and the Students' Union, all the fresh entrants admitted to the UG and PG programs of study were welcomed by Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the secretary of the college. In her address, Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi, the principal of the college, briefed the parents and students about the special features of the college and encouraged the students to make optimum use of opportunities available at the college. Mr. Anto Xavier, a career consultant based on Nagercoil, briefed the participants about career opportunities in the government sector and competitive exam preparedness. The program came to a close with a lively performance by the dancing damsels of our college. On the same day, Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi, the principal of the college, inaugurated an awareness rally of NSS volunteers promoting drug-free Kanyakumari district. The rally formed part of the International Day Against Drug Abuse celebration organized by the Tirupulmunai Addiction Treatment Ministry and the Department of Child Welfare and Special Services of Kanyakumari district. In the India Today MDRA Survey 2024, our college secured the 98th rank in India and stood first among MS University affiliated colleges. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues into each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.